In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Macy's credit card online. To begin your journey, you'll first need to open your web browser and navigate over to the Macy's website. You can type in macys.com directly in your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you've landed on the home page, you will want to log in to your existing account. Look towards the upper right corner of the Macy's homepage, where you'll see a prompt to sign in. From here, you'll need to enter your credentials. That's your email address and password associated with your Macy's account. Ensure you're entering the details correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the password recovery feature for help. Once you're logged in, you'll see a little icon that represents your profile. Clicking this icon will take you to a new menu. Here, find and click on the option labeled My Account. This area is like your personal dashboard at Macy's, where you can manage various account-related activities. Now that you're in the My Account section, look for an option that mentions Macy's credit card. Click on this, and it will lead you to another screen specifically designed for credit card management. This is where you'll click on the button that says ADD your card. You might notice a form that asks for specific details about your credit card. It's at this point that you should have your Macy's credit card handy because you'll need to accurately enter your card information here. Be careful and double-check the card number, name, expiration date, and any other required fields. Accuracy is key to ensure your card is correctly added to your account. Once you've confidently filled in all your card details, look for the option at the bottom of the form that says ADD Card. Clicking this will securely link your card with your Macy's online account. And that's it. You're now signed into your Macy's credit card account online, and you've successfully added your credit card to your profile for seamless future transactions. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found it useful. Until next time, take care.